Hey, I've got this 6-in-1 smart door lock here. Let's get this thing all set up. So you can operate this thing with an app, fingerprint, key fob, keypad, key, or lock key. All right, here's everything that came in the box. Got the handle unit itself, got the door insert, keys, the key fobs, and then this piece here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do now, so if you don't have your holes drilled or marked or anything like that, go ahead and do that. Here I already have the holes pre-drilled for everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this right in here like that. So see this screw right there? That is screw E. If you have a right-handed door, that screw is gonna go right in that right-hand socket. So there it is in the left-handed position. If you have a left-handed door, that screw E goes right in there. There it is screwed into the right one. Now this door handle here, this is just the front cover for it, but it snaps right on here. So you want to put 4 AAA batteries in here and then snap that cover back on. Okay, got the batteries in there, got that side snapped. And when you unsnap this, you can just stick a pin in there. But here we go, we're just gonna go ahead and snap it shut. To replace the batteries, pop a pin right in the end of that and pop the cover off of here. Now that's gonna sit right on the inside of here. Okay, got the standoff plate here, and that's just gonna slide right down over this, right there, and then it's gonna go in there with these 4 fasteners and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, that electrical connector runs underneath the latch, and then the standoffs just go right through those holes right there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and attach that connector to there. And then this is just gonna slide right on like that. And there's 2 screws that go in right in these 2 holes there. Now we'll put these 2 long ones right through here. Well, you can put it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip it so the handle's right over here. All right, there we go. The lock right there. Lock, unlock. Okay, you want to go ahead and download the Smart Life app, register your account. Then you go ahead and pair the lock. What you do, you want to enable it with the Bluetooth, add the device, and then it'll pair it up. And then you go ahead and add the app with the lock, create your temporary code. There's your temporary one-time code. Then you can do member management on the app. And then that'll allow you to do fingerprint input, code input. You can do 6 different ways. And there's how you restore the factory setting. Well, this is really slick right here too. Look, the key is right in the end here. All right, you can see it lights up now. So this is nice. This is just, if you have it on this middle one, it won't lock. It'll just stay open. You can open it from both sides. Here you got the unlock. Heard that beep. Passageway and lock. So you get a beep every time. So I'm gonna leave it on unlock for right. Just to get this thing to light up, you just go ahead and touch the screen there. Now everything here is handled in the app, including the password for your code input. All right, I just set the passcode with the app, and I can also lock it and unlock it right from my phone. Super easy. Just a little swipe to the right, swipe to the left, locks or unlocks. It's super nice. So this thing here, I just set the passcode. One of the things I wanted to show you was, you see how you can still open it from the inside? Well, if it's locked, you won't be able to open it from the outside, just the inside. So you go ahead and tap on that to open it, and now type in the code and it'll open. All right, we're locked here, can't get in. Key fob programmed, there we go.